Welcome to this tutorial on the Address Field Schemes PowerUp for WPForms. Let's get started. By default, WPForms provide two address schemes, US and international. But what if you need a custom scheme for countries like Australia, Brazil or India? With the Address Field Schemes PowerUp, you can create multiple address schemes and use them across different forms. First, install and activate the PowerUps for WPForms add-on. Once activated, go to WPForms Ultimate Add-ons in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Settings button under Address Field Schemes to start creating a new scheme. Now you can customize your address field with the following options. Set custom labels for city, state, postal code and country. Limit state selections. Show only specific countries instead of full international list. Once your scheme is ready, head over to WPForms editor. Select the address field, go to General Settings and choose your newly created scheme. That's it. The Address Field Schemes PowerUp lets you take full control of WPForms address field with simple, no-code interface. Whether you are customizing labels, limiting selections, or removing redundant fields, this add-on makes it easy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.